Hey, what's going on, my friend? Mike Allen here from Mike Allen Media, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 Facebook algorithm hacks that will explode your post engagement here in 2020 and many years to come, regardless if there's an algorithm change or not. The great thing about this is you can start seeing the same results that I'm getting on my posts within your first 24 hours. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so I already did this video and I'm redoing it again because I want to break it down and make it as simple as possible. The Facebook algorithm is not a hard thing to master if you do it right. Social media is made for you to be social. So the process is going to be being social with people. Now, let me break this down for you step by step so that you can do exactly what is needed to be able to get the engagement that you're looking for on your Facebook profile. All right, the first thing is engaging. Facebook is a social media platform. So what do you have to do? You have to engage with people. They're not just going to come find you, engage on your post just because you put up some, really valuable information. It doesn't work like that. Nobody knows who you are and they don't care who you are until you care about them first. So what you're going to do is you're going to spend 5 to 15 minutes inside of the stories. Inside of the stories, you are going to be able to find out what people are posting in their stories and reply back to their stories. What happens is you fire up one of the algorithms that we're talking about, the messenger algorithm, and we have the newsfeed algorithm, but the stories is firing up the messenger algorithm and it's starting conversation with somebody. That's why Facebook has a messenger app as well. They want you inside of Messenger. Messenger is what you should be in 95% of the time when you're on Facebook. So if you don't know what to talk about with somebody, if you're shy, if you're nervous to get on video, if you're nervous to talk to new people, look at what they're talking about inside of their stories and just talk about that. That's a foot in the door for you to get in and have a conversation. The second step is going to be engaging with people's posts on their newsfeed, on their timeline. Go into your newsfeed and spend 5 to 15 minutes engaging with people's posts. Now get this, the Facebook algorithm, their bot, they know the average time it takes to read somebody's post. So if you're one of them people that just go like, and wonder why you're not getting any engagement on your post, is because you're spammy. You're doing spammy things. So stop doing spammy things. I can't stress that enough to people. There's still people today in 2020 and they're still spamming and they're just having bot software go out and like people's posts and they're wondering why they're getting in Facebook jail and not getting results. Stop spamming people. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to get on their post. You're going to read the entire post. If it's a novel, if somebody gets up in the morning and they write like 20 paragraphs, skip it. If somebody gets on and they do a live first thing in the morning, skip it because that's going to kill your algorithm process. This whole process is something that you have to do in order without taking a break. So if there's a video or if there's a long post, just skip it, go to the next post. What you're going to do is you're going to read the post, you're going to love the post, you're going to stop liking the post. I hate the like button. The like button should not be on there anymore. I hate it. There's so many people that give me a thumbs up and it's like, I don't understand why. What the like, is it good, is it bad, is it, I hate the like button, okay? Hit the love button or the care button. That's a new button that Facebook put out. Use the buttons that they're giving you, except for the like button. I hate that button. Read their post, love their post or care for their post, and then put a heartfelt comment inside of their comment section. You see people all the time, great photo, ooh, happy Sunday, ooh, blah, 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 ooh, emoji, 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 ooh, this. Stop doing that. That's just spammy. Stop spamming. You want to be somebody that sticks out in the crowd inside of the comments. So if somebody writes a heartfelt message and they want people to engage with it, react with a heartfelt comment inside of that so that they reply back and now you're starting a conversation. The algorithm favors you regardless if you're engaging with somebody else's post or your own post. It doesn't matter. It's a win-win situation. So engage with people's posts. Give a heartfelt conversation. If somebody talks about a personal development book that they're reading right now, say, oh my gosh, I absolutely love that book. Here's another book that I recommend. Maybe they haven't read that and now they go check out that book and that's going to be one of their new favorite books. Once you have commented on their post, chances are they're going to come back and they're going to reply back to you. Hence, social media. That is why they're on there. They want the engagement on their post. So put a heartfelt comment on their post, let them reply back to you, and now you're having a conversation and boosting the algorithm. The third step is going to be posting. Now you need to know what it is that you're posting before you're going to post or before you start this this whole entire algorithm process. Before you get into the stories, before you go into the newsfeed, you need to know what you're going to post, because if you're not, like I said in the beginning of this video, you're going to mess up the whole entire process. That time span of you going and engaging with people, now you're on Google for 30 minutes trying to find out what you're going to post for the day. Know what you're going to post before you're going to start the algorithm process. I got a couple top posts that I put up on my profile that I'm going to share with you, and the first one is going to be motivational and inspirational quotes. I don't go to Google, I don't rip the image, and I don't throw it up on my Facebook wall, because there's going to be like 1.6 million other people who have done that as well. Facebook is going to know that, they're going to see that, and they're going to cut your visibility, so stop doing that. That's spammy. What you need to be doing is you need to go find your quote, and then you need to type it in on Facebook. Yes, you got to take a little bit of time, type in that quote. Hopefully it's short and sweet, and then put that up on your status. Now, what I like is I like having a motivational quote that's short and sweet. If you start typing in your status and you notice the font gets smaller, that means you hit the 89 character or over mark, which means the font is going to get smaller. If that happens, put a colorful background behind that, and it's going to stand out instead of just having little bitty font. The ones that I like the most is 89 characters or less, and then you can put a hashtag or an emoji in there to make it stand out even more. But 89 characters or less is going to be bigger font, it's going to be short and sweet, people can love it, they can comment on it, and boom, they're going on with their day. My next type of post is a value-based post, just like this video. Give value to people. You don't have to have all of the knowledge in the world to be able to give somebody value. Maybe you know how to lose weight, maybe you know how to swim, maybe you know how to knit, maybe whatever it is that you know how to do, you can share that value on your timeline. Do a Facebook Live, write a little story on your Facebook post, put a picture of you in there doing what it is that you love. Maybe you read a personal development book and you want to share something that you read from that personal development book. That is value that you can be giving people on your timeline. The next is going to be lifestyle posts. People have to know, like, and trust you before they're going to do business with you or even buy products from you. So let them into your world. Share stuff that you're doing. Share your date night. Share going to the movies. Share having, game night with a family. Whatever it is that you do, share that. You don't have to have the most extravagant lifestyle. You don't have to be going on cruises and going to the Bahamas all the time and doing this, and let them know who you are. Let them know who you are as a person. Let them relate with you. You don't have to be filthy rich. You don't have to act like somebody you're not for them to want to engage with you. Be you, be yourself, and they will engage. The next is going to be curiosity and story posts, and I use this to grow my business. I don't go out there and I don't vomit my business all over the place. I don't share my company name all over the place. I don't share the names of my products all over the place. Why? Because people don't want to be sold to. People love buying what they don't want to be sold to. So what I do is I use a curiosity post or a story post to pique their interest. And how I pique their interest is I use my story from using XYZ product. What kind of results I got from it? I use a story from somebody on my team or somebody in my company that is using XYZ product. I share the story. Facts tell, stories sell. So if you're not selling, probably you're just telling people facts. Oh, this product can help you do this. You need to go buy it right now. That's spammy. Don't be doing that on your profile. Create a curiosity post, create a story post telling people your journey and how XYZ product is working for you. Don't say the name of the product. If you have a green weight loss shake, say this green weight loss shake has been absolutely amazing. I've been using it for the last, however many months or years now, and I've been able to achieve XYZ result. Pique their interest and they will relate with you and they will comment and want more information on what it is that you do. Also, on a side note, I did not add this to this, but you need to be connecting with people on Facebook every single day that have what you want, right? So if you sell XYZ weight loss product, go find weight loss groups. Get into those weight loss groups and start connecting with people, building relationships with these people, engaging on their posts, engaging on their stories, and then get in the inbox and build the relationship and sell to them. Next is going to be one of the biggest parts of this whole process is following up with the people that engage on your post after you put your post up. You've got a 15 to 30 minute window where people are going to be engaging with your content. You're going to get reactions, you're going to get loves, you're going to get likes, and you're going to get comments. Everybody that comments on your post, you need to reply back to them. You don't need to just put up a post and then be a ghost on everybody that engaged with your post. So if Bob comes over to your post and he says, oh my gosh, absolutely love this post. Thank you so much. I needed this. I'm going to say, hey Bob, thank you so much for commenting on my post. How's your day going? What's going to happen is Bob's going to come back to my post. He's going to come back to my comment and he's going to reply to that. What happens then is his reply is going to bump my post back up into the top of the newsfeed so that more people on my friends list can see my post. More visibility. That's what you want, and that's what's going to bring more engagement. So Bob replies back, and now you reply back to Bob. What happens? You have another comment on your post, and that's going to bump your post back up to the top of the newsfeed, so more people are going to see it, more visibility, more engagement. So you've got your 15 to 30 minute window that you need to be concentrating just on people that are engaging with your engaging with your post. Spend that 15 to 30 minutes replying back to people and start conversations inside of that post. The more you do that, the more people are going to see your post, the more conversations that you're going to have, and the more visibility, the virality, or whatever you want to call it, you're going to have on that post. Now, I know you don't have all day long to sit there and just reply to people, but the first 15 to 30 minutes is the most crucial. So make sure that if you have to go to work in the morning, you get up an extra 15 to 30 minutes early so you can have that window to be able to engage with people that are engaging on your post. If you're not, your visibility is just going to go down, and you're going to still be wondering why people are not engaging on your post. The next step is going to be the final step, and that is get inside of the messenger. Like I said earlier, you need to be in the Facebook Messenger 95% of the time that you are on Facebook. I can guarantee most people that are watching this video, I was included, are on the Facebook scroll hole. They're just scrolling through Facebook, watching funny cat videos, watching trailers, watching, stuff that people are doing, and they're getting nowhere in their business. They're wondering why they're not getting results. They're wondering why they're not getting customers. They're wondering why they're not getting more affiliates inside of their business. It's because they're not building relationships. Nobody's going to join your business until they know you, they like you, and they trust you. How are they going to do that? Inside of the messenger. This is where you're going to be selling to your prospects, but first you have to build the relationship. Get them to laugh, get them to have fun, get them to bring that wall down inside of Messenger so that you can pop the question of, hey, I don't know if you're interested or not, but I have a side gig that I have going on right now, and I was just curious to see if you were open to taking a look. If not, no big deal. You word it however you want to word it, but I'm just saying now you're going to be able to bring that wall down, and you're going to be able to pop the question to see if they're interested in your products or if they're interested in your opportunity. That's it. It's not hard. It's not rocket science. To get a ton of engagement on social media, you have to engage with other people. Be active. Be on Facebook every single day with a purpose. Don't just get on there and throw something up and hope that it sticks. It's not going to. Get on there, put up good quality content, engage with people, engage with their post, engage with the people that are engaging with your post, get in the messenger, and close the deal. So hopefully you got value from this. If you did get value from this and you want to take this one step further, I have a free training down in the comments below, and it is going to show you how to turn all of your engagement into leads and prospects that want to buy your products and services or join your business opportunities. So if that's something of interest to you, go down in the description, click the link, get that free training before I take it down, and just start taking action. So if you did get value from this, please give it a thumbs up. Write down in the comments what you liked most about this video. And if you are doing this and you are getting results from any of these methods, let me know what kind of results you're getting down in the comments, because I would love to hear how many people actually took action on this and are actually getting results from this. If you want more content just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click the little bell notification right by it so you get notified every time that I come out with great content just like this. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.